Postman is a widely used platform that helps developers to design, build, and test APIs. In this video, we will see how to download and install Postman on Windows 11 operating system. Open your favorite browser and search for Postman. You can see the link from postman.com, which is the official Postman website. Click on this link. This will take us to postman.com website. Here you can see download links for different operating systems like Windows, Mac and Linux. I will click on Windows option here. It will take us to download Postman for Windows page. Click on this Windows download button. Now the download will start. Wait until the download is complete. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded Postman exe file. Double click to start installation. You can minimize the browser. The Postman installation setup has started. You can create a free Postman account if you want, and it will give you some additional features. If you don't want to create free Postman account, you can click this link, continue without an account. I will click on this link for now. You can create a free Postman account to get these additional features, but you can click here and continue without an account. Open Lightweight API client. I will click on this link. The Postman app has started. You can see the Postman interface. You can select the type of request from here. Enter request URL in this text field and click on the send button to send the REST API request. A desktop shortcut also will be created, which you can double click to start the Postman app. So we have seen how to download and install Postman on Windows 11 operating system. Hope you find this video useful. Thank you for watching.